Madam, see wetin I dey always dey tell you. See the kind water wey dey follow here. No be small water dey follow here. You don see am. See am from where that place wey dem park those motor. And look at this place now. See as the water dey pass here now. You don see am. This is what I'm always telling you. That if you dey no catch this place, definitely water still dey enter here. They need to catch here so that this water will channel itself, enter gutter. And look at this my front end from this gate. See how the erosion dey follow there. You understand? And na the two gate wey water dey follow now. You understand? So look at how the place be. So after I will send you the video so that you will see how water dey follow here. See how this place be. This place don turn to River Niger. You don see am. See from that place I say I want make you put one block. See how water dey climb that place. You don see am. Water dey climb this cover. You understand? How are you? Look at this place. Look at this place. See how water just dey enter. And all this water wey dey enter now na from Rojenny direct. Where the water dey enter. See how the place look like. See some keke wey up there. You know? So you need to do something about this place. Thank you, man. As you can see now, see where all the whole keke, all the whole bike, see where they follow. See water where they enter here. See where all of them run the follow. See many motor with many keke where they park for that side. So if they can be able to do this cover like the one where you get for the other side, definitely this water will stop entering from Rojenny because this place will stay high. You understand? So that is how they need to do them. See how the water don't chop all this place. You know?